Today, we are going to see how to make black coffee with jaggery for weight loss. Place a vessel over a gas stove and add a glass of water to it. Allow this water to boil, and we will use a coffee filter that will help us get the coffee extract. To those who don't have a filter, we can use an instant coffee mix, or you can purchase a filter from the link that I've shared in the description below. This is a referral link to Amazon and will help me get a referral fee to support my video. To this filter, we add 7 teaspoons of coffee powder. This we are adding to prepare 3 cups of coffee. So typically we add 3 spoons of coffee powder for 1 cup of black coffee. Nicely distribute the powder evenly as you see in the video. To this, add a cup of boiling water slowly and close this lid of the filter. Now wait for 10 minutes and let the extract come out on the container below. Let us open to see if the extract has come out. Yes, it has. Now we have to add a quarter cup of coffee extract to the mug in which we're going to have it. To this, we add 3/4 glass of boiling water. You can check for the consistency like the way I'm doing here. To this, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Mix well, and now you can see your black coffee for weight loss is ready to be had.